So we did it, but there is a problem because he keep coming and he's changing the request body, right? So the Postman actually use another library. It's called the Faker.js. Faker.js is kind of the creating the data randomly on the spot. You do not need to do this. Remember, that's the power of the using the library. The library, when developer use the programming language, when they write the code, they use many library to build the actually the logic. So Faker.js is Node.js based library. Again, because Postman is built based on the Node.js. Okay, this Electron.js is the library, the framework. So we are not going to change anymore. He will not change anymore. So he will be using the Faker.js and changing the information, and it will be touchless. So let's do that.
Okay. So here, yes, the already it has
Go ahead,
been
start using the
told
Faker.js.
that. So here, what we can do, we can just simply remove this. Okay. Now just give the double curly braces, and inside this double curly braces just put the dollar sign. Okay, then give we have here, you can see we have so many like variables. Okay, all these
Yes.
variables are built in. Okay, so you can just simply call the like random, then company name. See, it's already a built-in variable there, so just simply call this. Okay, then also remove from here. Also, if you want to also add new address every time, put the dollar sign random street address,
Yep.
then also remove this, and also here put the here random integer, and that means int into is the number. So now we
Save it,
don't
run
need
it.
to change the information, just send this request, and here you can see that it's changing the
It's
address,
changing each
it's
time.
giving the.
Go back to the environment. Let's verify it.
Yeah.
Close the deal. Look at this, changing it all the time. Hey, let's do it.